Welcome student. I am Assistant Professor Saili Patil. In this session, we discuss about your FYBBA computer application same 2 and name of subject that is the financial accounting, code of subject 202. In this syllabus, we will discuss 4 chapters under the financial account subject. First subject that is the itself word financial accounting, introduction, definition, scope, objective, principle and convenience of accounting. Then accounting transaction and final account is the chapter number 2. Problems on voucher system, accounting process, journal entries, ledger, cash books, subsidiary books, trial balance and preparation of final accounts of sole proprietorship is the part of your chapter number 2. Then bank reconciliation statement, and fourth one is computerized accounting, where we discuss the basic part, that is the role of computer and financial application, accounting and accounting software packages. So today we are going to discuss the lesson number 1, that is the name of subject itself, the topic number 1 financial account. Under this chapter we will discuss about the introduction, meaning, definition and scope, objective, accounting concept, principle and conveyance. So first what we discuss, what is the purpose of to understand the what is meaning of financial account. It is the role and importance of accounting in business and how accounting concepts can be implemented in business and competition ability in the business. So ability for the distinguish between the accounting concept and accounting practice, we need to understand the financial accounting. As you know, the financial account or the account, maybe it is explained with the language of business, where we all record all transactions related with the business. So if finance department does not operate well and the whole organization activity will not be maintained properly, it shows the loss to organization. It is essential that finance function should be well organized in the firm, and the accounting is a part of accounting, which means that it serves all data to related parties, maybe parties, external parties, internal parties, and the operating responsibility of the firm. For example, creditors, investor, debtors, employees, regulatory body, general public are the part of internal and external parties. So whenever we discuss what is accounting, there are necessary, it is the identifying, it is the actual process of preparing the presenting the accounting. It is the art of putting the academic knowledge of accountancy and practice. So it covers all the activities like identifying, measuring, recording and classifying the transaction into various divisions, events in the ledger, their subdivision, etc. And main purpose for these activities are analyzing, interpreting and communicating with the other person. So in this point we will discuss the financial accounting. What is meaning of financial accounting? Financial accounting is the account which explain the financial or the critical role in the efficient use of firm's resources. Decision maker operate in a complex economic environment that is regularly or constantly changes. Their information needs to vary with the environment, and accounting must adopt the new concept, new needs or the changes in the environment. The importance of the sound financial information has always been recognized, but in the light of today's condition, such information has become the important to the survival of business and industry. So the in financial account, they are not used for the explaining the business position, but it is used for one major tool in the decision making. So the financial account provides the basis for cost accounting as well as the management accounting, which is the ultimate analysis of management account, include the part of accounting and the financial account. So financial accounting is a traditional procedure based on the record keeping, such as related to the preparation of budget, final accounts toward the adaptation of role, which emphasize its social importance. Profit calculation, how it is not an important fact, but with the help of this, whole business position will be analysis under the heading of financial account. So first we discuss about the two definition, which is very important. Definition according to American Institute of Certified Public Accountant. Accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transaction and events which are in part at least of financial character and interpreting the result thereof. It is explained by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountant and American Accountant Association. They explain the definition regarding the financial account or the accounting. The process of identifying, measuring, and communicating economic information to permit informed judgment and decision by the user of accounting. So, by according to this, it is the language express or they communicate the financial information of the unit or the organization of the business to various parties interested in the progress of the organization. So they are the proprietor or the owner, creditor, investor, employee, consumer, and the government itself. So the financial accounting concern that the part of accounting is serve or the provide the data for the decision making to all parties. So it is a part. It is a point which is necessary in industry and commerce to record, classify, and summarize the mercantile transaction, which is means expressed in terms of money, which is occur in the organization. So, from about two headings, about two definition, we can say the financial account feature of financial account. This is the art of recording and classifying business transaction events in the systematic manner. Transaction to be recorded in a monetary terms only, summarizing, analyzing, and interpreting the results of accounting information and communicating and explaining the information to decision maker. So the modern financial account not use the or the concern with the financial record and the preparation of financial statement, but it also correlate activities involving in the planning, controlling, decision making, problem solving, performance measurement, evaluation, coordinating, and directing, as well as auditing, tax determination and planning, cost and management account also included in the financial account part. So next point, that is the what is the objective of financial account. So under this heading we can discuss it is divided into 4 to 5 points. First part, that is providing information to user of rational decision making. You can say there are the n number of various parties related with they are interested in the organizational growth. So a number of person, firm, companies or organization are related to the business in different ways like owner, employees, debtors, creditor, financer, etc. And every one of them is interested in a particular type of information. So, according to every person, accounting communication information to the internal user and external user. The internal user includes the organizational participant at all level management like top, middle, and the lower level. Top level peoples or the management need required information for the planning and decision taking purpose. Whereas middle level persons or the peoples are required some reports in form of reports in the that is the cash budget report, production report, idle time reports, feedback report, etc. So when we discuss the external user, it includes the banks, creditors, or the loan giver companies. So all these parties are interested whether the company is in position to pay their liabilities, for example, interest, their dues, as well as their whatever the amount invested by them. Next objective of accounting, you can say it is a systematic recording of transaction as the business follows the all rules and regulation of recording transaction. So there is a systematic records are prepared under the financial accounting. A business enters into number of transaction like purchase, sale, bank, cash, return, damage, etc. A proper record of all these transactions provide the information to the businessman to find out the correct amount of profit and his wealth position. You can say you are aware about the word balance sheet. Written records are always provide the guideline than the oral records. Written records can be used with a different person for the different decision making purpose and serve the evidence of the transaction. So you can say systematic recording of transaction provide the data for the various purpose. Then ascertainment of working result. The working of the business is result into the surplus or deficit, that is the profit earned by organization or they are facing losses. Surplus, when we discuss the surplus, only checking of cash or increase in cash amount or decrease in cash amount does not mean the increase in profit and increase in or surplus or deficit. It is also about that current revenues must be matched with the current expenses. So it is then some particular parts are used. A systematic record of income and expenses use the data or the preparation of the income statement. So ascertain of result is possible with the help of financial account. Disclosure of financial status and ascertain the to know the solvency position. When the profit earned by organization, normally it increase the net worth of the firm. The net worth is not, it is nothing but the surplus of belonging over the owing or the, in other words, surplus is asset over the liabilities. This is the financial status of business. Accounting data disclosed at the end of every period. The financial status of the business. To evaluate the financial strength and weakness of the business, the financial position is ascertained by preparing positional statement. Positional statement means balance sheet. And this is useful for the businessman to know the business owes to others and what it owns and what happened to his capital, whether it is increase, decrease or remain same. A systematic record of various assets and liability facilitates the preparation of position statement, also known as balance sheet, which answer all the important questions. So you can say from the above headings, modern or the financial account has to explain the come up with the objectives to identify financial event and transaction that occur in the organization, to measure the value of the occurrence of the terms of money, in terms of money, to organize accumulated financial data into meaningful information with the help of computer and other technology, to analyze, interpret, and communicate the information to broad range of person and group within as well as outside of organization. So broadly, you can say it is providing information for the decision making. Systematic record is available. Ascertain of result and solvency position of business you can easily identify. This is the main objective of financial account or the accounting. Whatever the functions and the classification of account we will discuss in the next video. Okay, student, thank you.